This sport betting strategy doubled my initial deposit without any risk. This is how I did it. Hey guys, today I'm making this video since not a lot of people know about this. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jen and I'm on a journey to financial freedom. The purpose of this channel is to connect with all of you who are on the same path, to share my experience and to get new soon-to-be millionaires on their feet. One last thing, I am not a financial advisor. Since we are on YouTube, I need to tell you this. So, what is betting really? By definition, since this is what popular YouTubers do, is, yeah, that's not right. So, betting is to risk money on the result of an event or a competition such as horse race in the hope of winning more money. Okay, so there is a word risk in it. But the title says risk-free, so where is the catch? Well, yeah, I will spill the beans here. The world of sport is kinda, yeah, not random. So, that being said, sport games are planned out. Whoa. Explosion. I guess you didn't know that. Trust me, I didn't know that as well until I started doing this strategy I'm about to tell you. The money earned by athletes is real and abundant. Sports exist, that is true, but the conflict in each game is fake. The definition of a game is contrived conflict for the sake of entertainment. So, in our poor people's words, basically, games are specifically planned out. Managers of teams decide which team will win and which team will lose. In return, the players that are on this plan, so-called, get paid way above their annual salary. Now, we poor people can benefit from this, right? We can get what are called tips.
What did he say?
You may ask yourself, but Jen, where can I get this tip? Well, let me tell you, you can. Or can you? Oh my god. No, but seriously, you can't yourself. The information is incredibly hard to get a hold on. You have to know the real people, who know the real people, who know the real people, and so on. At the end, the information comes from the managers themselves. So basically, the information comes in a package, digital of course. In each package, you get approximately 30 games to bet on with the specific information on which to bet. Now, you have to understand that the outcome of the games can differ, since most of the team players are not on the plan, especially the new ones, the newbies. The goal for you is to get at least 100% profit. In other words, double the deposited money. Now, let's talk about money and how to really get started. If you came this far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification to be the first who views our new video. First, you will need 2 betting accounts. Now again, I do not condone betting and I am not a financial advisor, showing you this for educational purposes. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is go to Bet365 on the internet. Now, in some cases, you won't be able to register on your computer. That is why you need to have your hotspot or mobile data enabled. And if that doesn't work on your computer, then you should register through mobile. That's the way it works for me, and that's the way that it should work for you. Now, fast forward to marathonbet.com, that's the second betting site. It usually works normally, so without any mobile data and so on. Why we use this, why we use 2 sites is because sometimes in the information you will get a game that doesn't display on Bet365, rather on marathon.bet. So you just register, put in the information that is required, and that's all. Now back to the explaining, Jen. Bye. After that, you guessed it, you need to deposit your money. After you have deposited, you will need Telegram, the holy messenger, the Russian. Create an account and join a group that is dedicated to bet tipping. I suggest joining Moneymaker Tipster. For now, the tips are free, but soon, as I understand, the owner will make it so you pay for each tip, so I guess you have your chance now. In the future, it will be worth it, trust me. Now, you're on the group, congratulations. You will receive a screenshot from the owner telling you on which game to bet, as you see here on the screen. Another tip I can give you is that you bet 10%